There is a, from what I understand, fairly recent form of Japanese folk art called Etegami. And Etegami is a visual image that comes with words, and that is simple and meant to be shared. So I am painting this on a postcard of sorts. I think it's made with rice paper. But it's a postcard. And I'm using sumi ink. This is a quotation from the Bible, taste and see. I am not one to quote the Bible especially, but it's a well-known phrase, and it's just perfect for pears. Pears are beautiful and flavorful, so I figure I'll use it. And I'm going to do the colors with my beautiful, beloved Wildthorne paints. They're handmade paints from a woman, makes them in California, and they're just lovely. And this is their mimosa that I'm starting with. And then I'm going to use this bois de rose, rosewood, which is perfect for this. I believe it's a Camas pear. Obviously, they're not in season here. It comes from Argentina, and I bought it at Costco. This is their raw umber. It's not uncommon for Etegami to have the ink spill into the watercolor. Let's do it on purpose. There we go. I believe this ink becomes waterproof once it's dry, and I figure that's why I did the writing first. I wanted to let it dry a little bit. I use the ochre léger, and now I'm going to put some of the viridian. This pear has such beautiful colors. If you look at art and still lives, I was really struck by how often artists draw pears. And I think that's why I like this taste and see. I think I should also say smell, because pears smell so nice when they're ripe. And there I am, adding a little bit more color. I believe also that one of the popularity of pears is that their shape is not unlike that of the female body. So here's my little Etegami. I'm going to have the color blend a little bit, and then I will send it off.